Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you Android phone keeps turning on and off by itself. So, let's get started. Android phones turning on and off by themselves can happen for a variety of reasons. It might be due to a low battery, software bugs, or something more serious. Here are some common causes. A bug in a recently installed app. Old or damaged battery. High CPU usage due to background apps. Overheating. Insufficient storage. Scheduled power on/off settings. Let's go through each fix step by step. The first thing you should try is a force restart. This often solves minor software glitches. For most Android phones, the method is simple. Just press and hold the volume down button and the power button together for 10 to 15 seconds until the brand's logo appears. Once your phone restarts, check if the problem is resolved. If your phone keeps shutting down, it could be a sign of low battery. Make sure to charge your phone for at least an hour. After charging, try turning it back on and see if the issue persists. Low storage space can also cause your phone to reboot randomly. To check your storage, go to your phone settings. Search for storage on the search bar. Then click on storage. If your phone has less than 10% storage left, it's time to clean up. Delete unnecessary files and apps to free up space. Another reason could be the scheduled power on/off settings. Go to Settings, then General Management, and select Auto Power on/off. Turn off this feature and see if your phone stops rebooting. An outdated Android version might cause random shutdowns. Go to Settings, find Software Update, and check for any available updates. Make sure your phone is fully charged before updating. Sometimes, a third-party app can be the culprit. Running your phone in safe mode can help you identify if an app is causing the problem. To enter safe mode, hold down the power button. Then power button will appear. Tap and hold shutdown button. Then select safe mode. If your phone works fine in safe mode, uninstall any recently downloaded apps. If none of the previous methods work, you might need to do a factory reset. This will erase all your data, so make sure to back up important files first. If you want to factory reset your Android, plug your phone to charging with your computer. Back up any important files. This will delete all your data. Turn off your phone. Then click on power button and volume up button at the same time. It will open some options. Then factory reset your Android. If your phone continues to turn on and off after trying all these methods, it could be a hardware issue. I recommend visiting an authorized repair center for professional assistance. That's how you fix Android phone keeps turning on and off by itself. I hope these methods helped fix your phone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and good luck.